नै गरेको अनि उनी पिरु नियो Piru's sister and 2 daughters. She's also Piru's sister's daughter.
Development has got a lot of obstacles in Nepal because people in Nepal believe in fate. The fatalism has very strong impact on the development of Nepal. Of course, these people, Dalits, when the Hindu caste system was developed, these people were put in the lowest strata in social hierarchy. And when these Brahmins and Kshetris put them in the lowest social hierarchy, for a long time as a tradition, they accepted it as their fate. And in later years and later life, it became a type of custom, a type of tradition.
तपाई भन्दा ठुलो तपाई सबै दिदी बहिनी मात्रै
हाम्रो दिदीमा एक यो घरको एक त्यो भाइ
यो पनि यो अनि तपाईसँगै बसिआछ
एक त्यो भाइ भयो
यो भाइ
त्यो
ए आफ्नै आमाको भाइ
एक यो भाइ एक त्यो
पतो भानु मुते पता उर्ता पिरुको दिदीको घर भयो अनि पिरुको दिदी
When we are small, we will make snow. We will mix with snow, chili, salt, and sugar, and we will eat it.
Because you hadn't have any food.
Yes.
And you did this
we will mix with potato also.
So you were hungry many times?
Yes.
And your brother also?
You can write this and yes.
Piru has a physically and mentally she looks very strong. Yeah, she can fight, but not right now. Maybe in his time, after his graduation, after 10-12 years, I think she will do something change in that village if she goes back. बस्नुस् कर्मपल्लीको दिदी कतिवटा छोराछोरी तपाईँको
कान्छी
कर्मकली अनि
जेठी पुरी गया
बुढी
मैले
पारी बस्न त यिनीहरू 2-3 दिनको लागि आएको हो है अब यिनीहरू बस्छन् भने ठिकै छ होइन जान्छु भने पनि त्यहाँ हाम्रो अफिस छ त्यहाँ पठाइदिनु भए पनि हुन्छ उनीहरू रमाएर बस्यो खुसी भएर बस्यो भने ठिकै छ 2-3 दिन आउनु पर्छ यहाँ बस्यो पनि हुन्छ नि आज आयो
caste system is existing in Nepal. Whether the word Dalit is eliminated from the constitution or not, I think it's a psychosocial phenomenon, and it has been perceived from the birth of the childhood. From the childhood, it has been taken or internalized that they are something inferior than the other caste. But these days, many intercaste marriages are taking place where the other caste are marrying with Dalits. So this is the good sign, means tolerance and accepting. But certainly majority of the people, the children of Dalits, they have internalized and they are suffering with the intense low self-esteem.
को मान्छेहरु आछ भनेर थाहा भयो होला म भन्छु अब कर्मकली बसेको ठाउँ छ नि त्यहाँ है त्यहाँ एउटा ठुलो यस्तै
Social discrimination is everywhere in Nepal, not only in Kadali region. When education is very low, everything is very low. Some 30 years back, already there were laws existing about equality in terms of sex, in terms of religion, in terms of all these social issues. But because people didn't get this awareness, because there was no education, there was no literacy, so people were never aware of these things in the past. It's not only the rich people oppressing the poor people, mainly because these poor people were not aware, and the state never played any role to make these people aware. Because firstly, it's the role of the state to make the people very aware about their rights, so that they can claim rights. Right is not something that other people can give. No? It's the thing that people have to be aware of it and demand it, or to fight for it. But if people are not aware about these existing laws, they are helpless. They are always helpless.
Spricht man mit Nepalesen, hört man immer wieder, dass diese starke Form der Diskriminierung vor allem in den ländlichen Gebieten zu finden ist. Doch selbst am Rande von Kathmandu, gleich neben dem Shangri-La-Waisenhaus, befindet sich eine Dalit-Siedlung, wo Dalits damit leben müssen, als Menschen zweiter Klasse behandelt zu werden. Zusammen mit Rajesh Parashuli besuche ich einige von ihnen zu Hause. Rajesh arbeitet an der Shangri-La International School, die zum Waisenhaus gehört. In der Schule lernen alle Kasten gemeinsam, was für Nepal sehr ungewöhnlich ist. Und Dalits dürfen hier kostenlos zur Schule gehen und werden besonders gefördert.
Their caste profession is either ironsmith, work with iron, or sewing the clothes, you know.
हामीले सिलाएको लुगाहरू यस्तो कपडाहरू हैन अब लगाइन्छ टोपी लगाइन्छ हैन अब हामीले सेर त्यो चाहिँ चोखो भएर सबै लाउनु हुने हाम्रै अब सबै छिमेकीले छोइछापको भारण गर्ने सबै लाइराछ अब हामी चाहिँ नि मान्छे चाहिँ नि 10 हात पर बस्नुपर्ने स्थिति के अपवित्र लुगा चाहिँ पवित्र भयो अब कोही बेला थुक लाएर नि सिलाउँछ नि मान्छेले हैन सिलाएको नि त्यो चाहिँ पवित्र हुने चोखो भरे चोखो हुने मान्छे चाहिँ चोखो कसरी नहुने त
उसैले बनाएको मान्छे त्यो उसैले बनाएको मान्छेले बनाउने मान्छे चाहिँ अपवित्र
जात भात राख्ने त मान्छेले हो नि है भगवानले ल्याएर राख्दैन नि हामीलाई भकै भनौँ दलित भयो भनेर घिन लाग्ने गरेर बस्नु हुँदैन सक्दो हामीले सरसफाइ गर्नुपर्छ राम्रो कुरा खानुपर्छ जाँडौसी खानु हुँदैन हैन नराम्रो बोली वचन बोल्नु हुँदैन हामीले पनि यो अनुशासितमा हामी नै रहनुपर्छ अनि विकृतिहरू चाहिँ हामीले त्यो छोड्दै गर्छौं हेर्नुस् है अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ हामी पनि परिवर्तन हुनुपर्छ अनि क्षेत्रीय वंशमा पनि हामीले उनीहरुसँग के कमी छौं त हामी हैन मन छँदैछ तब हाम्रो मन उस्तै हो काटेर रगत आउँछ दुबैको आफूले गरेको काम चाहिँ नि उनीहरुलाई चल्ने हामी मान्छे नचल्ने त कुरै भएन नि कोही बेला नौलो इष्टमित्र होला अब सरकै हामी काम गरेको साथीहरु हुन्छन् अब तपाई हामी नै बस्यो नि भिन्नता हुने भनेको अनि खलो लाग्छ के साथै त्यो खलो चाहिँ नहोस् छिमेकी अनि बिहे गरेर बोलाए हामीले चाहिँ पर बसेर खानिन्छ अनि निम्तो मान्न जानै मन लाग्दैन बोलाइहाल्यो निम्तो बोलाउँछन् छिमेकीले बोलाउँछन् गयो सँगै अब भनौं ओल्लो पल्लो टेबलमा पनि बस्न नपाउने स्थिति हुन्छ